Well, I started noticing the problem in my chest since I was in puberty, and it was just getting worse and worse. And I decided after 40 something years to do something about it because I didn't see anything getting better, even doing the workouts or anything like that. And it was bothering me for a long time, and that's how I decided to come into doctor's office and see what I can do with the procedure, because I heard all the good things about it, and I think he's excellent and he really did a good job. I have no complaints about it. And well, I was a little bit scared because of the surgery. I was like, I have to go under, and I a little bit nervous about that. But then you get comfortable and you just go to sleep and you wake up and it's done. Well, I have to say that the team was the best I ever seen, all of them, and I have to, especially Maya, because I know her, we speak the same language, so it's a little bit easier and it gets more comfortable, but everybody else was just excellent. I have no complaints about anybody. Well, my friends and family and everybody is like, wow, that looks so good compared to what it used to be. And they said that Dr. Itay did a really good job. You should definitely come here into the office and just get the consultation first and see what you can do from there. And I think you would do the best choice in your life.